Good morning everyone and welcome back to Usher Edits, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to change the shirts of anyone. So in this video I'll be changing the shirt of Messi and changing it to the rival team Real Madrid from FC Barcelona. So basically first you get the shirt you want to change into and the picture of the persona whose shirt you will be changing. So I used the background remover to remove the background of the shirt, and I roughly place it over Messi, and then next I remove all the overlaying backgrounds that make it look obvious that's not real, and I cover up all the parts that do not look fine over it, and they cover with a similar color. And if you stay along you'll see how I kind of add shadows to it so it does not look just bright white and just matches with the color. So I did this alongside, and I'll catch you back after that. Now, as you guys can see, I'm trying to cover along the collar edge. So I've got the golden type color that is used to write the sponsor, and I thought it would be a good color, so I just thicken up the color a bit, and I tried to copy what the shirt in the background was, and I kind of do it with a similar color. So now I've got it done, and I'll be adding some shadows so it kind of matches to what the shirt is and does not stand out like it should without shadows. So here's the shadow bit I was talking about, and I'll be using a similar color for the shadows as it is used originally throughout the whole shirt, and it would look similar to what it would. So as you can see, you can already get the touch of what it is, and now I'm done with one side. Well, that was it for today's video, and as you can see, this is how it looks, and the before and after. So hope you guys liked it, and I'm trying to do more tutorials, and I will be doing some editing little videos that you guys like as well. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye.